UK Family History for the Beginner Genealogist, currently available at a special autumn discount. In this course you will learn how to find and use old photographs and documents that you or your family may already have that can provide extra information and inspire research avenues. You will learn how to create family tree charts to record and present your research, how to search civil registration indexes and order birth, marriage and death certificates, how to find your ancestors in the census records, how to search and read parish registers, and much, much more, including how to use genealogy website search engines, search demonstrations, advice on name spelling variations, how to avoid common mistakes, deal with brick walls, and a guide to further research. And from now until the 26th of October 2020, you can get this course, normally costing £149.99, for just £14.99. Just click on the link on screen or in the box below, and I look forward to seeing you there.